In this video, we will introduce you to the top 6 budget to best portable Nugget Ice Maker Countertop 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 6 budget to best portable Nugget Ice Maker Countertop 2026 on Amazon. Number 1, EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. Portable sonic ice machine with handle, makes ice in 6 minutes, 34 pounds daily capacity, auto cleaning, removable top cover, ice basket and scoop for home, party, RV and camping. Black fast nugget ice in just 6 minutes produces soft, chewable sonic style nugget ice quickly for cold drinks, smoothies, cocktails, and iced coffee. 34 lbs daily ice production generates up to 34 pounds of ice per day, providing a steady supply for families, parties, offices, and gatherings. Portable countertop design with handle. Compact, lightweight design with a built-in carrying handle makes it easy to move between your kitchen, RV, campsite, office, or outdoor events. One-touch auto cleaning function. Self-cleaning cycle helps maintain hygiene while reducing maintenance and simplifying everyday use. Removable top cover for easy access. Convenient top opening design makes monitoring, cleaning, and retrieving ice simple and hassle-free. Includes ice basket and scoop. Comes complete with a removable ice basket and scoop for convenient serving and storage. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop delivers delicious, chewable nugget ice in as little as 6 minutes, making it perfect for iced coffee, soft drinks, smoothies, cocktails, and refreshing beverages. Capable of producing up to 34 pounds of ice per day, this compact ice maker ensures you always have fresh ice available for family use. Number 2, ecozy Nugget Ice Maker Dispenser. 40 pounds per day Pebble Sonic Ice Machine Countertop. Touch-free ice dispensing, self-cleaning, compact slim design for home, kitchen and office. 40 lbs daily ice production produces up to 40 pounds of soft, chewable nugget ice every day, ideal for families, parties, and offices. Touch-free ice dispensing. Hygienic hands-free dispensing system minimizes contact for cleaner and more convenient ice access. Soft nugget ice creates restaurant-style pebble ice that's perfect for iced coffee, soft drinks, cocktails, smoothies, and cold beverages. One-touch self-cleaning function. Built-in automatic cleaning cycle helps keep the machine fresh while reducing maintenance. Slim countertop design. Compact footprint fits neatly on kitchen counters, office break rooms, apartments, and small spaces without taking up excessive room. Easy operation. Simple touch controls and removable components make filling, dispensing, and maintenance quick and convenient. The ecozy Nugget Ice Maker Dispenser delivers soft, chewable nugget ice that enhances your favorite beverages, from iced coffee and smoothies. Number 3, EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. 44 pounds per day Sonic Pebble Ice Machine. Self-cleaning pellet ice maker with ice basket and scoop. Portable countertop ice maker for home, kitchen and office. 44 lbs daily ice production produces up to 44 pounds of soft, chewable nugget ice every 24 hours, perfect for daily use and entertaining. Soft Sonic Nugget Ice creates restaurant-style pellet ice that's ideal for iced coffee, smoothies, cocktails, soft drinks, and other cold beverages. Automatic self-cleaning system. One-touch self-cleaning function helps keep the machine fresh while reducing maintenance. Compact countertop design. Space-saving design fits comfortably in kitchens, offices, apartments, RVs, and home bars. Includes ice basket and scoop. Comes with a removable basket and ice scoop for convenient serving and storage. Simple one-touch operation. Easy-to-use control panel provides hassle-free ice making for everyday convenience. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop brings delicious, restaurant-style soft nugget ice directly to your home or office. With the ability to produce up to 44 pounds of ice every 24 hours, it provides a reliable supply of chewable ice for iced coffee. Number 4, COWSAR Nugget Countertop Ice Maker. 33 pounds per day chewable pellet ice machine with automatic ice dispenser, measured dispensing, self-cleaning, portable countertop ice maker for home, kitchen and office. 33 lbs daily ice production produces up to 33 pounds of soft, chewable nugget ice every 24 hours for everyday use and entertaining. Automatic ice dispenser. Convenient touch-operated dispensing system delivers ice quickly while minimizing direct contact for improved hygiene. Soft chewable nugget ice makes restaurant-style pellet ice that's perfect for iced coffee, soft drinks, cocktails, smoothies, and other chilled beverages. Measured ice dispensing dispenses controlled portions of ice to reduce waste and provide convenient serving. One-touch self-cleaning function. Automatic cleaning cycle helps maintain freshness and simplifies routine maintenance. Compact portable design. Space-saving countertop size is ideal for homes, kitchens, offices, apartments, RVs, and small gatherings. The COWSAR Nugget Countertop Ice Maker delivers soft, chewable pellet ice that enhances every cold beverage, from iced coffee and smoothies to cocktails and soft drinks. Capable of producing up to 33 pounds of ice per day, it provides a dependable supply of fresh nugget ice for everyday family use, office break rooms, parties, and entertaining. Designed with convenience in mind, the machine features an automatic ice dispenser with measured dispensing, allowing you to serve the right amount of ice with minimal contact. The built-in self-cleaning function helps keep the system fresh while reducing maintenance, and its compact portable design fits comfortably on most countertops. Whether you're outfitting a kitchen, office, number 5 Typhur Smart Nugget Ice Maker Countertop, 35 pounds per day pebble ice machine with app control, portable pellet ice maker, self-cleaning pump, carry handle, 8 cleaning tablets for home, kitchen, office, and RV. Silver Point 35 lbs daily nugget ice production produces up to 35 pounds of soft, chewable pebble ice every 24 hours for refreshing drinks all day. Smart app control. Monitor and control ice production remotely using the companion app for added convenience and scheduling. Soft pebble ice creates restaurant-style chewable ice that's perfect for iced coffee, cocktails, smoothies, soft drinks, and more. Self-cleaning pump system. Built-in automatic cleaning system helps maintain hygiene and simplifies routine maintenance. Portable design with carry handle. Compact countertop design and integrated handle make it easy to move between the kitchen, office, RV, or campsite. Includes 8 cleaning tablets. Comes with cleaning tablets to help maintain optimal performance and keep the ice maker fresh. The Typhur Smart Nugget Ice Maker Countertop brings premium Number 6 Silonn Nugget Ice Maker Countertop, 33 pounds per day pebble ice machine, soft chewable pellet ice maker with auto cleaning, ice scoop, portable countertop ice maker for home, kitchen, and office. Black Point 33 lbs daily ice production produces up to 33 pounds of soft, chewable nugget ice every 24 hours, ensuring a steady supply for daily use. Soft nugget ice creates restaurant-style chewable ice that's ideal for iced coffee, cocktails, smoothies, sodas, and other refreshing beverages. Automatic self-cleaning function. One-touch cleaning cycle helps maintain freshness and reduces maintenance for hassle-free operation. Compact portable design. Space-saving countertop size is perfect for kitchens, apartments, offices, RVs, home bars, and small gatherings. Ice scoop included. Comes with a convenient scoop for easy serving and hygienic ice handling. Simple one-touch controls. User-friendly operation allows quick and effortless ice production whenever you need it. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker Countertop delivers soft, chewable pebble ice that enhances every cold beverage, from iced coffee and smoothies to cocktails and soft drinks. Capable of producing up to 33 pounds of nugget ice every 24 hours, it provides a reliable supply of fresh ice for families, home entertaining, office break rooms, and everyday use. Designed with convenience in mind, this compact countertop ice maker features an automatic self-cleaning system that helps keep the machine clean with minimal effort. Its portable design fits comfortably on most countertops, making it ideal for kitchens, apartments, offices, or